Morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about matrices. First definition of matrices. A matrix is a rectangular array of the elements or numbers arranged in rows and columns. Matrix is denoted by first or third parenthesis bracket. A matrix consists of m horizontal rows and n vertical columns. Is called the m cross n matrices. It is denoted by A is equal to A11, A12 up to A1n up to AM1, AM2 up to AMn. This is called the Aij of Mn matrix. For the entry Aij, the row number is denoted by I and the column number is denoted by J. The number is a matrix or called its elements. Example, A is equal to given 3 cross 3 matrix. Next definition, determinant of matrix. The determinant of matrix A of 2 cross 2 is equal to A, B, C, D elements denoted by determinant of A or modulus of A is defined as determinant of A is equal to given matrix to create the modulus A, B, C, D is equal to AD minus BC. For A 3 cross 3 matrix for the determinant is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. This is the elements. So determinant of A is equal to first A of EI minus HF minus B of DI minus GF plus C of GH minus GE. For example, A is equal to 3 cross 3 matrix. To find the determinant of A, so we get the result of minus 9. Next one, adjoint of matrix. The transposed matrix A formed by the cofactors of the elements of A is called the adjoint of A. It is denoted by adjoint of A. Example, if A is equal to given 3 cross 3 matrix 2, 2, 1, 0, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 0, then the cofactors of A are first one C11 is equal to plus or minus or alternative to given first C11 is equal to plus of first 2, 2, 1, 2, 0, and this is called remove the first row and first column, then we have 2, 1, 2, 0. So the answer is minus 2. Then repeated C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32, C33. Then adjoint of A is equal to minus 2, 1, 4, 0, 0, minus 3, 1, minus 2, 1. The whole transpose is equal to minus 2, 0, 1, 1, 0, minus 2, 4, minus 3, 1. This is called the adjoint of matrix. Next definition, inverse matrix. Singular and a non-singular matrix. Definition of singular and a non-singular matrix. A matrix is called a singular if modulus of A is equal to 0 and a non-singular if mod of A is equal to not equal to 0. Example, 1, 2, 1, 2 is singular and 3, 2, 4, 1 is non-singular. Inverse matrix definition. A matrix B is called the inverse of matrix A if AB is equal to BA is equal to I. It is denoted by A inverse equal to 1 by modulus of A into adjoint of A. Next one, a matrix is invertible only if the matrix is non-singular. Next, rank of matrix, Cramer's rules, solution of system of equations. Solution of system of equations. Next one, some problems. Thank you.